Now this image will help you understand. Now in this image there is a shark. On the leftmost side you can see a hazard. So shark is a hazard. It is dangerous. Everybody know shark is dangerous. So if you are a deep diver in an ocean and if there are sharks around you, it means you are facing a danger. So shark is hazardous. However, unless and until you dive into the ocean, you are safe. The moment you dive into this ocean, which is having some sharks around you, then you are exposed to that hazard. So if you remove hazard from this equation, there is no risk. If you remove exposure from this equation, there is no risk. So risk is only triggered when somebody is exposed to any hazard. If there is no hazard, there is no risk, or if there is no exposure, there is no risk. So risk without either hazard or exposure is meaningless. So hazard plus exposure of someone or a material to that hazard is equal to risk. Now, again, just remind the formula of risk, as we said, likelihood into severity. Now here, what are the chances of being attacked by a shark? It depends on the distance between you and the shark. If the shark is hungry, if you are close to him, if it sees you. But there is a risk. It may happen or may not happen. Maybe the shark is not hungry. It may not be attacked. It's in a good mood, so it will not attack you, isn't it? It means you don't know what may happen. It's uncertain. So if the shark attacks you and you have some weapon in your hand or you have some protective shield around you, so in this way you can minimize the impact, the severity of that shark attack. So we don't know if the shark will attack you, and if it attacks you, what will be the result? It can bite your arm, your leg. It can lead to bleeding, cutting off your limbs, hand, finger, foot, leg, etc. We don't know, so it's uncertain. This image, just for your information as well as to visualize the equation, that if there is no hazard, there is no risk. If there is no exposure to that hazard, there is no risk. So risk means there is a hazard and somebody or something is being exposed to that hazard. Now the level of that hazard, the impact of that hazard is something different. So it will define the level of risk. If that hazard is too much serious thing and the exposure is very much close contact, risk can be high.